Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Food for Thought. Today we are going to make an interesting sweet dish. Father's Day sweet treat. Ingredients. So in this we have used mango pulp, watermelon pulp, all-purpose flour, then grated coconut, jaggery, then cinnamon, sugar for caramelization, almonds and raisins, and sesame seeds. Now preparation of the filling. So here we have used the grated coconut and now we are going to stir it for some time till it becomes a little bit of yellow in color. Now we are going to add some jaggery. We have used grated coconut, a little bit of jaggery, almonds and raisins. So we are making this filling and we are stirring it. Now roll the dough with the rolling pin, shaping it into circle and rectangular shape. The circle shape are the one in which we have used mango pulp. The rectangular shape are the ones in which we have used the watermelon, and this is the filling mixture. Now we are filling in it and we are using some water at the edges so that it may stick. So to make the design we are using fork. So now we have filled these and it looks like this. Now we are going to fry it. So after frying, we have caramelized it and we have put sesame seeds on the top of it. Now twist of taste. To give a smoky flavor to my dessert, we are going to use burnt coal. There's also, we have used cinnamon in this. So the flavor of smoke and cinnamon and sweet. Father's Day sweet treat. This sweet is dedicated to fathers as a symbol of love. Happy Father's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Subscribe is just below the video, a red button, and hit the bell ring.